The crop tool in Photoshop can be used to get rid of unwanted parts of an image or document. Be aware that this tool crops the entire canvas and all of its layers, instead of a single object. When the crop tool is enabled, handles will appear along the border of the canvas. From the options bar above the canvas, uncheck Delete Cropped Pixels to avoid permanently deleting anything. Next, click and drag the crop handles to change the framing. Content inside of the crop box will remain, and the doled out area outside of the frame will be cut. To reposition the canvas, click and drag from inside the frame. To rotate the image, click and drag outside of the frame. When done, click the check mark to the far right of the options bar. To exit cropping without saving instead, click the cancel icon. The process for cropping a single layer or image within a multi-layer document without cropping the canvas is different. To crop a specific layer, select the layer in the Layers panel. Switch to a selection tool, and click and drag to select the object. Next, navigate to Select, Inverse. This will select everything in the layer except the desired portion to keep. Finally, press the Delete key. Only the originally selected area will remain. This method will crop an object based on the selected tool shape, in this example, a rectangle. Cutting objects more closely, such as along their edges, requires a technique called masking. See our masking video for more details. More information about Photoshop can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU knowledge base.